are going to love the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, center armrest, trip computer, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, compass, rear window defroster, fog lights, security alarm, electronic stability control, brake assist, Sirius Satellite Radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.